Good morning. Welcome to my morning walk. Today is a very nice day, but it is very windy. But anyway, good morning guys. It is windy. You can see my hair blowing away. I'm going to go to the farm so you can see the farm, guys. Such a pretty day. The tulips has already buds. It's gonna have um, flowers. I'm gonna turn the camera. I'm gonna turn the camera back. See, that's the tulips coming along. All right, guys. Okay, turn the camera back, and we're gonna go faster, walk faster. It's a little bit cold because the wind is blowing like crazy. Woo! Cold. Yay! Woo! I think I'm not going to the farm because the farm is right there. I just want to go around so all you guys can see it. But it's very windy. It is very hard to hold the camera. It's windy and cold. So I'm going back inside the house. Alright, so tomorrow guys, I'm going to get my shot, my vaccine. So very pretty today. Look, pretty day. The duck are squawking. Okay, that's it for now. I'm inside the house. I will see you soon. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. The red button below. I have to go have coffee because I'm cold. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.